Hello everyone, today I will show you how to configure Myfriend in Android Studio. So let's get started. So first thing, there is the documentation. I will explain the whole documentation to you. So there are two requirements, Android Studio and Firebase. All are free. You don't have to pay for anything else. So now you have to go to the Google and search Android Studio and then click on the first link. Now you have to download the Android Studio from here. I have given in the Android configuration the process how to download. The whole video is about the process how to download and install the Android Studio. So now once you have downloaded the Android Studio, you will get this screen. So you have to click on import existing and Android Studio project. So you have to select the path where you have saved. I have saved in the desktop, so I have to go to desktop and import the Myfriend app. So here's the Myfriend folder. So what you have to do, which file you have to select is you have to select the Myfriend folder inside the whole Myfriend folder under the documentation. So you have to select Myfriend folder. So you have to wait till the process is done. I paused the video till the process is done completely. So once the process is done, you will get the notification that process is done. So now you have to keep in mind that you will get some notification that you have to install the SDK, additional SDK, which will Android Studio will notify you if if required. So it's just simple step you have to follow. You have to follow, like click on install and it will get installed in your Android Studio. So I've just paused the video till the whole process done. Now the process is done. All my files are ready. So you have to go to the like we have to change first the package name of the app. So now to change the package name of the app, you have to go to the Android, like the Android is first selected. So you have to check on the open files with single click. Now under the Java section, you have to click on com. Under com, you have to click on space store, and under space store, you have to change the Myfriend by going into new, no, new, sorry, refactor and renew. So you have to click on rename package and you have to change it to whatever you want. So I'm going to change it to not my friend, my friends, just friend, and I have to refactor. And you have to click on do refactor. Now once the refactor is done, you can see the change. You can see the change over here that it is Myfriend now. And if you want to change the space star, you can follow the same step, going to left clicking on it and then going to refactor Rename if you want to change the space to something else that you wish. You can, it's all same like we have did in changing the my friend to friend. So now it's also given in the video in the documentation. You can follow the whole video if you want to know how to change the package. So you have to go to the Gradle script and you have to open build.gradle and this file also build.gradle, and you have to change the package name here also. Now the package name here will be same as you have changed in this, like com spacer and friend. So you have to change the, it will be same over here. So I've changed it to the friend, so I have to change it here, friends. So now all is done. You have to click on sync now. Now once the Gradle build is done successfully, then you have to go, then you have to copy this package ID and you have to go to the menu under my friend menu and you have to change the invite address and you have to change over here and you have to paste the package name over here com.paster.friend. Now once pasted, it will be the your app ID on Play Store, app URL on Play Store. So it's all done. So now the next thing you have to do is to change the app name. So you have to go to the resources and under resources you have to go to the values and under values you have to go to the strings and you have to change the app name over here. So you can change it to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to friend and you have to copy the app name, copy, and you have to go to the menu and you have to change it over here. It is the short description and the URL on the invite link, so you have to change the app name over here and this is your description, your tag. So you can change it to whatever you want and this will be the invite link. So now once the invite link is done and your name and your package name is done, the next thing is that you have to change the icon of the app. So now to change the icon of the app you have to go to the resources, left click on the resources, then go to new and under new you have to click on the image asset. Once so like this window will be opened and you have to select the file of your logo path in your computer. So I've saved one file over here under the there we have my logo and it will be generated over here. So this will be the main app. You can resize it to your to whatever you want and this will be the main app logo in the your phone or in your any device. You can change the background to green to anything else you want or clicking over here and selecting the color you want. I'm gonna keep it white. Click on choose. Once all is done you have to click on next and then finish. So the app icon is done. Now once the app icon is done, you have to change the app icon in the splash screen. So for that you have to go to the you have to copy the logo, then you have to go to the resource and place it in Dropbox. So you have to go and paste it over here, click OK, and then change it to rename it. Okay, so now my logo has been pasted over here. So now I have to change it in this splash screen. So let me close this. So under resources you have to click on the layout. Under layout you have to click on the activity splash screen. There you go. You have the activity dot splash screen. You have to click on it and you have to rename it. Like I saved it as logo.iii. So it like your this will be renamed, and if you want to change the background you can change it over here. Now the next thing is that to change the app theme and app colors. So to change the app colors you have to go to under resources, and the resources you have to go to the XML sorry, and not XML. You have to go to the values, and under values you have to go to click on the colors and the style. So these are the main colors. This these are the main colors of your app. You change it over here, and these are the theme. This is the light theme, this is the dark theme. So you can change the color whatever you want, and if you don't like if you don't want you can keep save. It doesn't matter that much. So now once the theme and the dark mode has done changing the color, we will move on to the 5 days. So now the app has been configured successfully. So now we have to move on to the next step, which is Firebase. So now Firebase is all free. There's nothing you have to do. So now you have to go to Google and in Google type search Firebase, and you have to click on this Firebase. Then you have to click on this, go to console, and you have to click on the create new project. So you have to type the name of your project. I'm gonna type my name of my project, friend. And you have to click on accept all Firebase terms and click on continue, and then you have to select your country, and you have to click on all accept all the terms. So now your Firebase project is made. So you have to import your application in Firebase project, which I will show you how to do that. So you have to click on continue, and there's my project. So if you click on the project and you have to click on this Android. So there's the process to implement to import our Android project, Android Studio app. So it is asking for the package name. So you have to go to the manifest, or you have to you have changed the package name. So there's the package name under the Cradle or build. You have to copy it. Sorry, you have to copy and paste it over here, and you can give a nickname to our app. It's optional. I'll give it friends. And there is the debug signing certificate SHA1 key. So to generate this, you have to go to the project, and then you have to click on this in the left and right side corner top. To click on the Gradle, and in Gradle you have to click on Namespace and tasks, then Android, then you have to click on the signing report. You have to double click on it and wait till this configure project is done, process is done. It will take few seconds. Now this is your SHA1 key. You have to copy this and you have to go and paste it over here. You have to click on register app. Now you have to download this Google service.json. I will save it in the desktop, so I will click on save. Now it's download is done, so I will go to my desktop. There is my file. I will copy it and I will open my project. I will close this. Now where to place this? It says you have to place it in under project and under app. You have to copy this. So I will show you how to do that. You have to click on this. You have to click on project. So now under project, open this Myfriend. Then in Myfriend, you have to click on the app, and in the app you have to paste it. So your Google service JSON has been done. So paste it successfully. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next, and you can skip this step if you want. Like you should skip this, and then once all done, you have to go to the authentication. You have to click on this authentication or dialog, and you have to go to the sign in method, and in sign in method you have to enable the email and password, save it, and you have to enable the phone, and you have to save it. Okay, so now once this is done, you have to go to the database and you have to create a real-time database. So you have to go to the bottom of the page and you have to click on this create a real-time database. That create it. So there are the rules. You have to choose test mode and you have to click enable. So now you have to like recheck the rules is true. Okay, now you have to create a storage. So now you have to click on the storage and you have to click on get started. You have to click on next and done. So now once it is done, you have to click on the rules and you have to change the rules. And you have to clear this only, and then you have to publish, and then you have to copy this part of the URL and you have to paste it on over here and to click on publish. Okay, now everything is done, so we'll move on the next step, which is which is to uh, copy the server key. So you have to go to the under like side of the project, you have to click on this, and then you have to click on project settings. Now project setting, you have to click on cloud messaging, and in this you have to copy the token. You have to click on this and you copy. Then you have to go to your Android Studio, you have to go to your Android files, then you have to go to the app java com space friend, and then friends you have to click on the share chat, and over here you have to click on the number 7. You have to paste your key over here. Now the paste and everything is done, so I'm gonna start build my project. And on my emulator, there's my emulator, so I'm gonna click on the my emulator is not connected, so wait, so I'm gonna pause the video and connect my emulator to show the how to like the app which is made like just now. Now my emulator is connected to the Android Studio, so I have to run the app by clicking on this, and I have to wait till the installation is done. So I'll pause the video. So now the Gradle has been finished in 5 minutes, and my app is now ready to run on the emulator. So it will take off around 5 minutes or more. So Gradle finished at 0 error. It's installing. There we go, we have the logo and the app name Friend over here. You can see it. Now it will start the activity. There we go, the application is launched. There is the splash screen. There is the walkthrough. I'm going to skip it. That the signing method, so I'm going to choose email, sign up. I'm going to type my email. I'm so sorry, we have to type the email over here. Cut. And I'm going to type my name. I'm going to type my password. And on proceed. I'll type my username. And click on finish. Now the app is running successfully. There is my profile. There is my profile, and there is the friend. You can check the demo for the whole application. And there is one more thing. No, sorry. Like and in the database we have the user. There we have the user, the Mina, and the name Shuanshu, and the email, and the token for the notification. And there's one more thing you should know, that the you have to change, if you want to change the privacy policy, you can do it by going to menu, policy, and there's the privacy policy. So you have to tell here, you have to delete it, you have to make a new privacy policy, then you have to go to the Google privacy policy generator. You have to type this, then you have to generate privacy policy, and you can paste the HTML over here if you want to. I'm going to keep it the same, telling this if you want to change the privacy policy. So here's the app, and here's the whole process I've shown you. And if you have any query, any questions, any problem, you can email me at the email address given in the bottom of the documentation, or comment on the product. Thank you for watching.